Are your seedlings looking a little too cozy in their starter tray? If you see leaves overlapping and roots tangling together, it's a sure sign they're running out of space. Don't worry, this is a common problem for gardeners and it's easy to fix. Today, I'll show you how to up-pot your seedlings quickly and easily so they can thrive and reach their full potential. But first, let's talk about what up-potting actually means. Up-potting is simply the process of moving your young plant from a cramped, tiny starter tray into a larger pot. This gives the roots more room to grow, which helps your plant get stronger, healthier, and better prepared for life outdoors or in a bigger container. Think of it as giving your plant a much-needed upgrade to a bigger apartment. Here's what you'll need to get started. Your healthy seedling, ready for a new home, a new pot that's about twice as big as the old one. This gives the roots plenty of space to expand without overwhelming the plant, and some fresh, high-quality potting mix. Good soil is key for healthy growth, so don't skimp here. It's also helpful to have gloves, a small trowel, and a clean workspace to keep things tidy and stress-free for both you and your plants. Ready to get started? Let's walk through the steps together. Step 1. Water your seedlings a few hours before you plan to transplant them. This helps soften the soil and makes it much easier to remove the seedlings without damaging their delicate roots. Moist soil also helps the roots stay together, reducing transplant shock and making the whole process smoother for your plant. Step 2. Fill your new pot about halfway with fresh potting mix. This creates a soft, nutrient-rich base for your seedling to settle into. Next, gently squeeze the sides of the old pot or tray to loosen the seedling. Be patient and gentle. Rushing can damage those tiny roots. Always hold the seedling by its leaves, not the stem. The stem is fragile and can easily snap, but the leaves are much sturdier and can handle a little pressure. Step 3. Place your seedling gently into the center of the new pot. Make sure the roots are spread out and not bunched up at the bottom. Add more potting mix around the seedling, filling in the gaps until the roots are completely covered. Be careful not to bury the stem too deep. Just cover the roots and leave the stem above the soil line. Lightly press the soil down with your fingers. This helps remove air pockets and keeps the plant upright, but don't pack it too tightly. Roots need space to breathe. Step 4. Water your seedling in its new home. Give it a gentle drink to help settle the soil and reduce transplant shock. You want the soil to be damp but not soaking wet. Too much water can suffocate the roots, so aim for moist, not muddy. And that's it! You've just up-potted your seedling like a pro. Give yourself a pat on the back. Your plant is now set up for healthy, vigorous growth. Over the next few weeks, you'll notice your plant growing faster, with stronger roots and bigger, greener leaves. Up-potting really does make a difference. If you have any questions about up-potting or want to share your own tips, drop them in the comments below. I love hearing from fellow gardeners. And if you found this helpful and want more easy gardening tips, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you never miss a new video. Thanks for watching and happy growing. Your plants will thank you for the extra space and care.